What is up, guys? A very good morning and welcome to another video on this channel. My name is Fabio, and in today's video we are of course going to be diving into the dollar index and the major dollar pairs. So we saw a massive pump on the dollar index, so let's see what kind of influence that has had on these dollar pairs. So let's dive in and enjoy. Starting off with the daily time frame on the dollar index, it is becoming more and more evident, in my personal opinion, that we are going to be taking out these highs over here. So for now, I'm focusing on this high at around 109 or 100.931. The supply zone that I just deleted has now been taken out. So in my personal opinion, it would be more logical for the dollar index to now see a pump up again. Looking at current price action, this is a very kind of not natural pump that I do not really like. However, it has caused a break of structure. So for now, I am focusing on taking out the highs over here at around 109.31. There's no obvious demand zone. Also, this is a clean pump up, so there's no liquidation happening, which also doesn't really support the fact that this could be a demand zone. So yeah, overall not a big fan of the dollar index, just focusing on this swing high over here at around 109.31 or 100.931. As we can see, all of these highs trying to take out this high all failed doing so. So in my personal opinion, it would be most logical to take out that high in the near future. So with that said, let's head over to our first pair, which is the Australian dollar against the US dollar. Looking at this pair, we are still consolidating. Higher time frame price action has just been so ugly over the recent weeks/days. Yeah, still looking for Aussie dollar to push down lower, but no opportunity for me personally yet. Still would need to see a push up and then a push down for a potential short. So yeah, that's it from Aussie dollar, Euro dollar, and Euro dollar. So Euro dollar did not see a daily close below the low, but did see a kind of a liquidity grab. Looking at a push higher now for Euro dollar after that liquidity grab, that would be pretty logical. For the rest, yeah, overall price action is very ugly once again. It's just very hard to say something about these pairs if they're moving like this, but I would still prefer to see a pullback up higher in towards this supply zone to then look for a short. That's the only kind of trade that I personally see at this point in time. For the rest, no trades on my end on Euro dollar wise. So let's head over to pound dollar and pound dollar. So pound dollar saw a beautiful retracement after, of course, that big pump up, currently reacting to this support and resistance level. Yeah, personally, I would need to see a push at least in towards these wicks over here alongside this beautiful liquidation low which has now been formed. So to see a long on pound dollar, I would need to see this low get taken out. So that's going to be what I'm going to be waiting for. Once we see that low get taken out, then we can look for a potential long. So yep, Kiwi dollar next. And Kiwi dollar, so Kiwi dollar still waiting for a push up, taking out this high, this liquidity high, to then look for a potential short. 4 hour is nice and bearish. However, we can really see that that 50% mark of the overall swing range is really acting as a nice area of support. But yeah, for now, just waiting for one more push up, take out the high, take out the liquidation or do the liquidation above this high, and then see that bigger sell-off back down lower in towards the more obvious daily areas of demand. So daily areas of demand wise, I would say, okay, this is a nice area of daily demand. Of course, we have some demand located over here. Not a big fan of it though. So yeah, main focus for me lies on this fresh area of demand all the way at the bottom, of course, at best value. For the rest, we have these wicks. So that means that there's lower time frame demand zones inside of there. However, still a little bit difficult because nothing is really that fresh or obvious. So we had, for instance, this sell candle, we can see already got filled. Then we got this sell candle got filled, this sell candle got filled. So yeah, we're kind of looking at this sell candle has now also got filled. However, not kind of really pushing price up as we would have liked to see. So yeah, this is also pretty much what I mean with the market not really being perfect at the moment for these 4 hour trades. But yeah, just focusing on taking out this high and then looking for a nice short. So yep, that's it from Kiwi dollar. Let's head over to the last pair, which is gold. And gold is ugly, ugly, ugly. Not much to say, still just waiting for a push down lower. If it happens in towards these daily areas of demand, once we see that happen, I will be looking for longs. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. Wish you all a fantastic day. If you have any questions whatsoever, reach out to me, and I wish you all the best. Thanks, guys.